Is it taping? Yes. Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Matt. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and giving you my first impression of my new compact router by Dewalt. Hey, before we break open these boxes, I want to say first, thanks for watching this video. Also, thanks for subscribing, and if you haven't, hit that little subscribe button down below. And if you have any questions or comments or suggestions about this video or any future video or projects, please put them down in the comment section below. So now I think we need to break this box open. So you guys know I'm updating my tool selection. I actually have never owned a router. I just usually use the one at work when I need to, when I need to route everything. But I use it all the time, so I feel it's necessary for me to actually own one. And with updating my tools from the 18 volt old 18 volt style batteries, I'm also updating my tool selection, and I figured I need this, so this is definitely going to be a good tool to add to my tool kit. So it's pretty simple. I bought the tool only, obviously because they cannot ship lithium ion batteries to Italy, so I had to get the tool only. Looks like it has some literature, and it has the spanner wrench, which is a basic spanner wrench. I'm going to need that in a second. And the tool. So, okay, it comes in a little bag. And that is the compact router. Okay, see you guys later. No, I'm just kidding. No, but anyway, this is, man, this is actually way smaller than what I was thinking it was going to be. So I'm used to using larger routers. Out of the compact routers that I was looking at, this is one of the larger sizes, but what I was thinking it was going to be was too large, but this is really nice. So starting off with the bottom and going up all the way to top. So this is a really nice plastic base, and you can see that it stands up on its own. Coming up here, the hand grip on this is really nice. It fits really good in the hand, feels really comfortable, right? I think if you have really large hands, this will be a better compact router than some of the other ones that are made, because this is a little bigger than most of the other ones on the market. It's like the power selector lever is on the left side, and the rotational adjustment or the speed adjustment is on the front of it. It's pretty basic. It's a router. It looks like the base is pretty sturdy. You come up here and you see this is looks like aluminum clamp system here, and to get it out completely, to replace it, like to put it in a different jig or to put it in the plunge base, you can just open this up and pull it out, or you can adjust it. Okay, so you can see how it raises here, and this adjustment system is really cool. I like it. It does have some micro adjustments as well. You can see on here it has a ruler that goes all the way around this base, and you can do micro adjustments based on how high or how low you want to go. But it's pretty cool. Maybe if I was doing some bow ties or some butterfly joints, I may want to raise it a 1/4 of an inch and then continue with the cut. But we'll see how it goes in the future projects. Cool design, really high quality. I don't know how that shit works, but... Ah, okay. Sweet, now I get it. So you can make micro adjustments on it just by spinning it like this, but as you can see here, as I squeeze these two little levers here, it pulls off the base, and this is what locks it into the base here. And you can see that it's a raised lip or a groove seam all the way around this cast aluminum grip. And this is the base that it comes with. It really didn't come with anything else except for what you see here, but there are a ton of different attachments that that Dewalt makes for this. One of the attachments that I'm going to use a lot is this plunge base. So this doesn't work with just the battery cordless router. It also works with the corded router as well. I don't know, this is a first impression, quick unboxing. I mean, I can't wait to use this. So I've got a bunch of cabinets I need to make, a couple stools and some tables to make. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, so there's that. Obviously the directions that I am gonna read, just not on camera, but it comes with a spanner wrench. So if you want to change your bit out, it's always best to take it out of here, and you can see here that this is the lock for the chuck here. And I'm just spinning this around here to see how many locking points there are, because there seems like there's a ton. Some of the other compact routers, they only have one or two places that will lock this from spinning, but this seems there's a bunch of them in here. I don't know how many exactly there are. Maybe I'll do some research and I'll throw it up on the screen, but it seems like there's enough for sure. In any position you'll be able to take this off. So this is the first time I'm taking this off. This is a 1/4 inch. This is a 1/4 inch housing, so I have to use 1/4 inch router bits. It even says 1/4 inch right here. You definitely won't be able to see it from over there, but it says 1/4 inch right here. And I do not believe that they make a 1/2 inch for this one. They may make an 1/8 inch collet for this, but I don't need it right now. We'll see how that goes. Okay. So cool, came with the spanner wrench. If not, looks like it's a 17 mil, but I will definitely be using that. Okay, so that was a super quick unboxing for the compact router. Now let's check out this plunge base. It's going to be really easy. Okay, so there's the warranty stuff and the literature for the plunge kit. This is set up pretty nicely so it doesn't get damaged and shipped. And here is the plunge kit. Cool, that's it. All right, that's pretty cool. So the first thing I noticed when I picked this up is the hole is a little smaller on this one than the base plate of what it came with. So I'm wondering, I didn't even research that actually, but I'm sure I'll be able to put all my router bits in there without any issue. Okay, so from the bottom up, this base plate is made of the same material as the one that it came with, although this hole that I just mentioned is a little smaller. Don't think it's going to be an issue. So this is cast aluminum. You can see that the stop, it has one, so the stop has 1, 2, 3, 4, and an adjustable 5th stopping position, but obviously it's almost unlimited due to the fact of this being able to lock. So it goes down all the way to 2 inches. So let's see how that, yeah. So it will plunge all the way to 2 inches, which is good. So it's going to be pretty versatile. I probably won't be going more than maybe, I don't know, an inch and a half, depending on how big the cabinets are, for the flush face on it. Other than that, this is plastic. The housing here is plastic, but it's all reinforced with this cast aluminum. Looks to be like cast aluminum. So the metal locking bracket, it looks like it's made out of nice aluminum and some steel here, or tungsten. I'm not sure, but the locking, so this locking mechanism is plastic, and it does have spring tension, and it's pretty solid. It can lock it where it's down. That's pretty good. I like that. I mean, it needs to do that, but the more I use it, the more I'm going to get used to it. But anyway, let's try and throw this in here and see how it is going to work. So, okay. So it looks like that's as far as that will go. You can see with the router in it, I think with the heavier battery, it will be a little top heavy, but it's not going to be crazy. Like I said, I'm used to using larger routers to do most of my work, so this is going to be amazing. One of the reasons I got this is I plan to do a lot more table finishing, and if I don't have a corded router available, like a heavy duty corded router available for me, this will actually help me flush up some rough stock. I don't want to use this as a planer, but I think I'll be able to because this is such a heavy duty little compact router. I'm going to test it out in future videos. I'll show you that I did it. Maybe I'll make some cutting boards or something like that just to flush up some rough stock, see how that worked. Also with this base, you can see there are a lot of screw holes in here for different attachments. I feel that these plunge bases are ideal for the type of carpentry that I'm doing, especially if I'm throwing butterflies or bow tie joints into tables where there's cracks, or quick adjustments for doing some flush cuts. This is going to be an amazing tool that I just added to my toolkit. Hey, before I wrap this up, I want to say thanks, Dad, for sending me the coffee beans. Tim Hortons, delicious. I know you sent me like 5 or 6 different types. I really appreciate it. But I also appreciate you guys for watching. I know it was a really quick video. It was a quick unboxing and initial impression of this tool. After I finish a couple projects, I'm going to be making a good in-depth review of this to help you guys out, help you make your decision to see if you actually want to invest in a tool like this. But if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, or more importantly suggestions, please put them in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button and then the little bell icon next to it if you want to see future videos of mine. I hope everyone's staying safe, and thanks again. Take it easy. I'll see you later.